Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this 20-inch sand filter for in-ground or above-ground pools. Now, this is a bigger boy. This one will actually do up to 32,000 gallons and actually holds 200 pounds of sand. So you do have to provide your own sand. But let me tell you, I have worked on pools for the last 20 years. We've had apartment pools, home pools. This was super easy to install. Even on this above ground pool, it came with the adapters that you can put here, and it came with everything that you need to cover the sand hole, put this in there. It even comes with these back here, which is really nice to have, which is a clear piece, so whenever you're backwashing, you can see how dirty the water is and when it gets clean. And if you come around further, it even provides you with a pressure gauge, which is on there, which actually helps show you when to actually need to backwash your pool. So this one from Aquastrong is actually going to work really well, and I'm glad because we've actually upgraded from a very small, like a 10-inch filter that was down there, and this is how my pool water looks right now. You cannot even see the bottom. Chemically, it is perfect. I've taken it in, I've had it tested multiple places. They said chemically it's perfect. They said your filter is just not cutting it. So now with this is going to really rip it. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit overnight. I'm really excited to come out tomorrow and show you how it looks. Okay, it's only been overnight and we did have a storm that came through, so we did have a little bit of debris that came down in the water. But I want to show you that even after just one day, like how much this actually did. And this thing is really pretty quiet. I know that it's not a pump, it's only a filter, but you can actually see out there in the bottom, you can actually see some toys that have been left out there in the bottom. I could not see the bottom of this pool the other day. So that is incredible that it's already cleared that much of it up, which is great. And it's only going to get better as it kind of filters the rest of the stuff over the next 12 to 24 hours. It's going to be crystal clear. This gives much better clarification, especially to a smaller pool, and it would also work up to a much larger pool as well. Well, again, my two favorite features on this particular model, aside from the 6-way gate here, is the built-in pressure gauge off to the side, and this part here that allows you to actually see when you're backwashing when that water is clear. Previous ones I had did not have that feature, which is really nice. So all in all, I would say this would work great on pretty much anyone's pool.